In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Office, Excel, and PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate your apps so all features are available and you're not bothered by activation messages. Start by opening any one of the Office apps, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It doesn't matter which one you choose, because once you activate one, the activation applies to the whole suite on that device. Next, head to the File menu and select Account. In some versions, this may be labeled Office Account. This page is where Microsoft shows your subscription or product details. Look for the Product Information section. If you see a message that says Activation Required, you'll also see an option to activate product. Click that. If it already says Product Activated, you're good to go and don't need to do anything else. When the activation window opens, you'll be prompted to either sign in or enter a product key. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, sign in with the Microsoft account associated with that subscription. If your copy of Office came as a one-time purchase or with a device, you may have a 25-character product key. Enter that instead. Be sure you're using the account or key that actually owns the license, and make sure you're connected to the internet so Microsoft can verify it. If you're using an organizational license, sign in with the work or school account that your organization provided. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete activation. The steps are straightforward. Just continue through any confirmations, accept the license agreement if you're asked, and wait a moment while the app verifies your license. If you see any options related to how your name appears or where to store files, pick what fits your needs. These are just personalization choices and won't affect activation. Once you've finished, close the app completely and reopen it. This restart ensures every feature loads with your newly activated status. After reopening, you can return to File and Account to confirm that the product information now says Product Activated. You should no longer see activation banners, and premium features like advanced design tools, templates, and cloud-connected options will be available. Remember, activating one app activates the others on the same device, so you can open Excel and PowerPoint and start working right away. That's all there is to it. Open an Office app, go to File and Account, activate if needed, sign in or enter your key, follow the prompts, and restart the app to finish. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fully enabled Office suite.